Sunlight causes water to continually evaporate from the Earth's surface. Sunlight heats the surface and water in the sea and on land. This is converted into steam, which then rises into the atmosphere. The higher the steam rises, the colder the air becomes. The steam is cooled and condensed and forms clouds. Precipitation forms in clouds and then falls back onto the earth as rain or snow. Rainwater and melted snow accumulates in rivers and streams. Energy is released when water runs from the mountains and down to the sea. This energy is utilized for electricity generation in hydropower stations by channeling the water through the station turbines. The water passes back into the sea after utilization, and the cycle continues.